Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Coco and Eve's hair mask. So I did film this already, but then I didn't like the footage, so I'm filming it again. Aesthetically, this company knows how to market their product because everything they put out on their Instagram is absolutely gorgeous. Looking at the ingredients, I'm not too pleased, especially given the price point. So this mask is like over $50. You can't buy it individually. It always comes with a little cheap Tangle teaser type of item, and you always have to buy it in the bundle. You can't buy it separately. At the time that I had purchased this product, it wasn't available at Ulta, but now it is. So at least it's more accessible that way. But either way, it's annoying. It's a waste of packaging. It's a waste of plastic. And I don't like the ingredients. So this does contain silicone. And for a lot of people, that's not an issue. A lot of drugstore products and even high-end products contain silicones, which is something that just kind of coats your hair, gives the appearance of moisturized, healthy hair. But really, it's just like a coat that's on top of it that's preventing moisture from coming into your hair. There's different types of silicones though, but for the most part, it's not something that I like to see in my hair products, especially at this price point. So if this was a drugstore product, like let's say it was like herbal essences, it was a $7 mask and it had silicones in it, I don't mind that much, even if it's like $10. But because this is a $50 mask, and it has such basic ingredients, whereas you can go to Sephora and get something cheaper from Sephora, the Briogeo Repair Don't Despair hair mask, that's like $36, and that has even better ingredients. It says something. So it's like you're paying so much for a product that has not so great ingredients. And sometimes I do see comments on their Instagram posts that do mention that. So I'm glad people are finally catching on, because for the longest time I could not find that one negative review of this product, because a lot of influencers, even really small channels, have been receiving these products for free. So I was really struggling to see whether or not it was going to be worth it. And the only reason I ended up purchasing it was because I wanted to get one for my friend who was also interested in it. And she's the one who had mentioned this brand to begin with. So I was like, I'm going to get one for her birthday and I'm going to try one for myself. Which is not to say that you shouldn't be trying silicone products, because a lot of people, especially if you have straighter hair, will use silicone products and see no bad effects with it. It's just like, I don't want to have to pay this amount of money for something that I can get cheaper at the drugstore that has the same ingredients. Do you know what I mean? Or just spend less money and go to Sephora and buy a really good hair mask that doesn't have cheap, bad ingredients. I'm getting repetitive here, so those are my overall thoughts. Do I think the mask's moisturized? Yes, it gave the appearance of moisturized hair, but it wasn't anything out of this world. It wasn't anything special. I could achieve the same results with a Shea Moisture mask that is like $10 and has decent ingredients, or even something with silicone from the drugstore. 3 Minute Miracle from, I forgot where it's from, Aussie. It also has similar ingredients to this hair mask, and it's $3. So just keep that in mind. There are cheaper hair masks that work just as well, if not better than this hair mask, and they are at a much lower price. Whether you're going for like something like Briogeo that has amazing ingredients, or something like the 3 Minute Miracle, which doesn't have amazing ingredients but is just significantly cheaper. So those are my overall thoughts on this hair mask. Thank you so much for watching. I had to change my shirt really quick, but basically, even if it didn't work for me, doesn't mean it's not going to work for you. Everyone has a different opinion and different experience with different products. Yes, that is it for my review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye.